Hi. In case you often need to transfer calls to some of your colleagues, for example, you're working in one team, I will show you a very handy and a very quick way of doing it via Wildex collaboration. I suggest you to use this function keys menu. First of all, you need to go to Settings, Function Keys, and to add colleagues as BLF keys, like this. The colleagues added in this menu will appear here in function keys. And let's see how you can easily pass calls to your colleagues. Here is our call. I answer it. Right now I would like to pass this call to Mario Rossi. So just drag this call on a colleague, like this. And in a few seconds, a new call is established. My colleague has answered the call, and right now I can notify this person of the upcoming call transfer and press the arrow button to complete the call transfer. If for some reason you need to do a blind call transfer, so transfer a call without notifying the person of the upcoming call transfer, you need to add this direct transfer option in Settings, Function Keys. Let's see what has changed. Here is my call. Answer. And if I drag this call onto my colleague, the call is transferred right away. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.